Welcome to Plutus IS. I hope that you have seen my previous lectures also on the geography optional where we have discussed PYQ. But today I am going to discuss a very different topic, that why one should take geography optional. A lot of students have this in mind, that whether geography option is good for them or not, or for that matter, that how geography option is going to help them a lot in the journey. So I will bring you the facts which will help you to understand that why geography option is one of the most important and lucrative option in this UPSC journey. The first thing is that this optional is very important in re-revising your syllabus. So there is an overlap, and you know that in prelims you are getting almost 30 to 32 questions which are directly coming from your geography and environment. So since you have this data in your hand, that how can we neglect the point that geography or environment is not an important subject? Since the prelims, the very first stage of the UPSC journey, is consisting of 30 questions, 32 questions. So, and you never know that UPSC might ask more questions on basis of that. So definitely this geography option becomes one of the most lucrative option to take by the students. The second thing is that there is a big overlap with your GS1 and GS3. And since there is a big overlap with GS1 and GS3, therefore also this option becomes really lucrative. GS1 is having an Indian geography and the world geography, and GS3 or economic biodiversity is extremely important, and in paper 1 this is getting overlapped, and in also the paper 2 the Indian geography is getting overlapped. So there will be repetition of the syllabus. So this becomes very important. Apart from that, prelims, mains, everywhere it is getting what overlap. Next is that this subject, this optional, is extremely static in nature. So there are not lot of changes. For example, if I talk about geomorphology or climatology, they are going to be static. They are not going to be much change with respect to that, because what is the internal structure of the earth is, or how the climatic condition and patterns are developed across the globe, are they same all the time. So they are not going to change. So once you have done this for 6 months, then if you are giving your attempts like 2 or 3 attempts, then also you don't have to change a lot, because the nature of the exam, the nature of the paper is such that you don't have to add on again and again. The next point is that with the good diagrams and static content, this can be your good optional choice. Apart from that, in the class there is a PYQ discussion which happens on the regular basis. There is a lot of repetition of the PYQ. If you have a chance to look at the PYQ of geography optional, then you will see that a lot of questions from the previous year have been there in the recent examination. They have been just modified a little bit. So PYQ explanation, PYQ preparation, and how you have to structure the answer will be discussed in the class every day. So when your PYQ discussion is happening, then your position becoming more strong with respect to the subject. You understand the subject in more detailed manner. So if you are looking for geography optional as one of the optional in the UPSC journey, then you must have the look at all its pros. Obviously, with right strategy and structuring of the answers, this can be your one of the best choice in whole UPSC journey. I hope to see you with another lecture. Thank you so much.